Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I put a little video together for you of towing with the 38R turbo on my 2002 F350. So the truck's got stock injectors with some tunes from PHP and Gearhead. So we went and picked up a new boat up in Ohio. This is a 1986 Whalecraft Scarab 30-foot center console fishing boat. It's got a triaxle trailer together. It has a combined weight of over 10,000 pounds. So it's definitely a workable load. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little video. Hopefully it gives you guys an idea on how the EGTs are, the boost, trans-temp, things like that. If you guys want to see more, make sure you guys leave a like. Comment down below, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next. Well, we finally got here after going through downtown Cincinnati. Never again. But this dude definitely owns quite the property. Driveway is what, like a mile long? Nothing but rock. So hopefully we'll see how things go. Well guys, the deal was right. It's official. We now own a banana split. Woohoo! He works hard. He deserves it. So
I'm Joshua Perry from the rally.
Hi, Joshua Perry. Nobody cares, but yeah, we'll catch you back on the road, guys. All right, you guys. Well, you wanted some more driving footage. We're on the way back. We just went into Indiana. Now we're in Kentucky, and we're on the way home. We went and picked up a 30-foot Scarab. She weighs in at 10,000 pounds. She's got a tri-axle trailer. They're 3/8 lug axles. Way overkill for it, but we're good. We're on the hydro right now. We're running the PHP 88 horsepower daily driver tune right now. Overdrive is currently on. We're not much of a grade right now, and then so we're doing 65, right around 1900 RPMs. And we went ahead and got some bigger tires yesterday. I went ahead and had some 295 60/20s mounted yesterday. Before, the truck was on a set of 275 55/20, more of a street tire, so it was time for those to go. And I'll go ahead and pan over here once we cross lanes of traffic here. I don't want to obstruct the driver. So you guys can see, that's our boost. EGT, it looks like right around a grand. And then tranny temp's 179, 180 degrees. And oil temp looks like it's 217, 215. And we're 212, even cooler. So oil temp's 212, boost is right around 9 PSI. And this is in the PHP 80 horsepower daily driver. So definitely liking it so far, right? All right, you guys, so after this, I really didn't record much. Me and my old man, we just wanted to cook home. We had a 10-hour drive ahead of us, and it rained the entire way through the night, so there really wasn't much to see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please, again, remember to like, comment, share with your friends and family. If you guys want more of this, make sure you guys subscribe, click the notification bell. We went ahead and swapped tunes. We weren't really happy with the Gearhead or the PHP tunes after this trip. Definitely worked the truck. EGTs were a little bit warmer than we liked, so I went ahead and upgraded to some DP tunes from Jody at dptuner.com. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.